मतलब subtly they're trying to portray it कि ये देखो ये हुआ था last government में.
Can't say a propaganda, but like there were scenes which felt like they were put in intentionally. There were parts in the movie.
Could have edited some parts, but ठीक है, it's good.
They were pretty good on screen together.
It was shot in a way कि acting की जरूरत ही नहीं है ज़्यादा.
A few songs could have been avoided.
गाने बहुत अच्छे थे actually.
Ranveer Singh was more like a side character only.
रणवीर सिंह थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे है कि मतलब आते जाते हैं.
I would rate it.
मैं like
Hello everyone, welcome to FPJ Showbiz. I am Priyam Tripathi and today we are here at the Mumbai theatres to see how people are reacting to the new Ranveer's new movie Dhurandhar on the weekends. So let's go and find out. Was this movie feels like a propaganda to you, or anyone will watch it and then
Okay, so that's something we were discussing right now as well. Can't say a propaganda, but like there were scenes which felt like they were put in intentionally. There were parts in the movie, like when they cut to real life footage. I'm a big fan of when movies have real life, real life inspirations.
Yeah.
But I would love to watch them once I'm done with the movie. There's a lot inside the movie, in the middle of the movie, and they directly cut to those. I would have stayed to watch those real life scenes if they were put in after the movie. But kind of, yeah, it is. And I feel, no, like, that's it, yeah.
जैसे कि there is a whole bit where they put the clips of 2611 का recording. That was completely unnecessary. Why is that thing is in the fucking movie?
Okay.
बीच में क्यों है पिक्चर की?
Okay.
That felt like they are trying to मतलब subtly they are trying to portray it कि ये देखो ये हुआ था last government में. But yeah.
So how was the movie?
The movie was good, pretty long, but it was fun. Didn't feel like 3 hours movie. Good music, good performance. Akshay Khanna killed it, literally. And could have edited some parts, but ठीक है, it's good. I see the intention of the maker, but it's great. Movie's good.
Quite good. It was quite an experience, I would say. We came in at 8 a.m. Thought we'll be sleepy, but like the movie woke us up, and it was like very refreshing, a new watch.
Movie was pretty entertaining, but काफी propaganda था तो फिर मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता वो देखना. A lot of things were very unnecessary.
Okay.
It could have been a shorter also if you just remove a little bit of propaganda तो better हो सकती थी.
Okay.
But ठीक है, overall entertaining था. Action packed था, काफी मस्त था.
movie was fabulous. Like the look of Ranveer is amazing and मतलब हम सुबह मॉर्निंग का शो हमने सबसे फर्स्ट अटेंड किया. सो बट एक भी सेकंड हमें ऐसे नींद नहीं आई. मतलब फैबुलस मूवी, एकदम लुक रणवीर सिंह का एकदम फैंटास्टिक है और मस्ट वॉच.
इट वॉज अमेजिंग. बहुत अच्छी थी एक्टिंग बाय रणवीर, अक्षय खन्ना, अर्जुन रामपाल. दे वर जस्ट क्रेजी, अमेजिंग. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी सीरियसली. इट वॉज पैसा वसूल. इवन फॉर अ सेकेंड आई डिडंट फील दैट आई एम गेटिंग बोर्ड और इट्स नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग. एवरी सेकेंड वॉज एंटरटेनिंग.
अगर एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब करना होगा मूवी को तो
It's a good experience.
It was worth it, I would say. Like, it was pretty worth it because, again, there's a drought of movies right now and not a lot of good movies coming out. So I think this was kind of a change in the pace. The movie like felt pretty nice in terms of like it's a 3.5 hour movie or 3 hour movie,
Yeah.
but it didn't feel as heavy. So that was great.
Okay.
टेरिफिक.
How was the chemistry between the actors?
Chemistry between the actors. I love watching Akshay Khanna now, like because Ranveer Singh kind of got sidetracked. Akshay Khanna felt like the main lead of the movie. So and the chemistry between I think Akshay and Ranveer was pretty solid because they had the most interactions throughout. And Sanjay Dutt kills it as well. Like kills it usually. The minimum scenes that he acted with Ranveer and Akshay, they were pretty good on screen together. And R. Madhavan, I wish R. Madhavan had gotten more screen time with Ranveer, but maybe in part 2. So
There's a good chemistry between Sanjay Dutt and Akshay Khanna. Too good. Absolutely love them.
I thought it was shot in a way कि acting की जरूरत ही नहीं है ज़्यादा. मतलब actually R. Madhavan and Akshay Khanna was very good. They were actually उनका लग रहा था. There were a lot of scenes which actually showed that they're physically doing it. They were present in the sense. But बाकी में it was very fast paced and उनके इतना दिख भी नहीं रहा था कि very adrenaline था बहुत. So they were very fast paced in that manner.
It was good. It was nice.
And how were the songs of the movie?
Songs are good. Big fan of Shashwat. And yeah, let's wait. how the part 2 goes.
Songs were pretty killer. I think Saregama got them like the old song, rights, and they were put in at the perfect points. Didn't feel like an overkill. A few songs could have been avoided. Like I'm not a huge fan of the song in the middle where Ranveer and I think what's her name? I
Actress
forgot the
Farah.
actress.
Yeah.
They go out and they just chill. Like I'm not a huge fan of that. But apart from that, I think Hanuman Kind killed it. Diljit killed it.
Yeah.
Pretty great.
गाने बहुत अच्छे थे actually. Could have toned down a little bit, but overall very good album I feel. Album I think इनकी बहुत चलेगी.
मूवी के गाने भी अच्छे हैं, मतलब सब कास्टिंग वगैरह सब एकदम परफेक्ट।
Songs were crazy. Item songs were very nice, very nice.
This movie has many mega stars like
Yeah,
Sanjay Dutt and
Yeah.
R. Madhavan,
Yeah, Akshay
everyone.
Khanna, R. Madhavan.
So
Yeah,
was it
Arjun Rampal.
justified?
Yeah, it was justified. All the characters were written nicely,
Okay.
and Ranveer Singh was more like a side character only. Main guy Akshay Khanna always.
I think so. Yeah, as said earlier also, कि Akshay Khanna was primary the main guy on the whole thing.
Yeah.
Ranveer Singh थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे है कि मतलब आते जाते हैं. Again, there's no female lead. Women are treated as like side object in the whole film. मतलब they are, if you remove them, nothing matters. मतलब उनका कुछ इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Story
Of
को
the
फर्क
star
है।
story में नहीं डाला उन लोगों ने.
ठीक है।
Typical.
मतलब ईच एंड एवरी रोल इज लाइक वो बना उसके लिए है, और जो रहमान डकैत का रोल है वो भी एकदम अक्षय खन्ना को सूट कर रहा है। So, मतलब फैबुलस मूवी, आपको जरूर देखनी।
Amazing. They were like crazy. They were justified. I mean, they did true justice to the role.
What would you rate the movie?
I would rate it 3 stars.
3.5, 4, I think.
1.5 or 2 max.
मैं लाइक 9।
5 on 5.
And if you get a chance to win a free ticket, will
Yeah.
you watch it again?
No.
Maybe not in theaters. Once it comes to OTT, I will watch some parts of it, but not the entire movie. It feels like a stretch watching it again,
Okay.
but pretty good.
ना ना ना. मैं अभी पैसे किसी और ने दिया, वरना मैं पैसे नहीं देता इस चीज़ों को.
तो आप
श्योर
देखेंगे?
श्योर श्योर। इवन अभी वो टू बी कंटिन्यू लाइक आई थिंक
हाँ,
मार्च
part
में
2.
रिलीज होगा।
Hmm.
सो मैं अभी भी अगर वो दिखा दे तो हम अभी देख लेंगे।
I'll watch it 10 times. It was amazing.
Well, the reaction to the movie was pretty mixed. Some liked it so much that they will watch it 10 times, while some called it a propaganda. What do you think about the movie? Comment below, and for more such raw and unfiltered conversation, make sure you subscribe to FPJ Showbiz.